Does it seem like you're waiting for the perfect load and the perfect load never comes? Maybe you're not sure how to get the best loads and improve your efficiency. Maybe you're set in your ways and you don't realize how some of your habits can be impacting your ability to deliver freight on time. In this video, Ryan will cover 5 ways you can move more freight and put more money in your pocket. If you find this video to be helpful, feel free to give it a like and subscribe to our channel.
Hi, I'm Ryan. I'm a fleet manager with ATS. I've been a fleet manager since 2019, and I work with lease drivers and owner-operators to ensure their success. Today I'm going to be talking to you about 5 specific ways you can ensure that you are moving more loads as an independent contractor. Number 1, don't box yourself in. Reasons being, you don't like the freight area. You don't like the city it's going into. It's too heavy. The load doesn't pay enough. That's going through the mountains. These types of reasons can hold you up on being successful over the road. Waiting for the perfect load could end up costing you money. Number 2, stay out on the road. Downtime is lost revenue for a lease and owner-operator. Home time is great and it is important, but it is also important to stay out on the road to make sure that you are making money. As a business owner, if your business is not operating, it's lost revenue earned. Number 3, carefully review each load offer. Not every load is going to work perfectly for you in every situation. Make sure you're checking it down to ensure you have enough time on your hours of service to pick it up. That is going to a great freight area. You don't want to stick yourself in an area where freight is going to be difficult getting back out. I would encourage you to discuss each load offer with your fleet manager to make sure that is going to line you up successfully on the backside to make sure that you're rolling. The longest line haul doesn't necessarily mean the most money. I would encourage you to go after the cents per mile. Number 4, trip plan effectively and maximize your hours of service. It is always important to make sure that you are trip planning before each load, knowing where you're going to be stopping for fuel, where you're going to be taking your breaks, just so you are not dwindling your hours of service and you can keep your hours of service available so you just have that extra time at the end of the week to get one more load in. Number 5, this is my last tip. Don't be late. Working with the customer on a later delivery time, which might push back your availability on another load afterwards. You could lose out on a potential for a great load on the backside, all because you were late. Every time that you need to push out your availability, it could seem that you are untrustworthy, you are unpredictable, and it could mean that you're not a good fit for the next load. So make sure that you're running the freight on time and that you're communicating any delays with your fleet manager.
When you follow Ryan's tips, you'll be able to make the most of your time out on the road. If you want to learn more about maximizing your time, take a look at this article about maximizing your hours of service, linked below. Thanks again for tuning in to another edition of Over the Road on the Truck Driving channel. We make videos like this every week, so if you found this to be helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you out on the road.